Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So as usual, starting off with EUR-USD. Now I just want to minimize this quickly so you can see the chaos we have to the left. Look at all the interaction with these levels here. So there are quite a few different levels. The one that we're at right now, which is 121.485, is what's holding up price at the moment. So basically no real price action from yesterday. I think we were pretty much range bound yesterday, as you can see, bouncing around here, sort of in that channel. We're still in that range, sorry, not a channel, but we're in that range. So strong move up, sideways. So this is, to me, a still sideways consolidation, looking like a nice entry at the moment as well. And lots of fear around inflation in the market at the moment, so that should negatively impact the dollar at the moment. So that's kind of what I'm seeing, looking like a pretty decent setup here to buy. Only concern I have is obviously the chaos to the left. So simplify this today. If you look at the 15 minute, you'll see you don't really have a decent picture at the moment. So this is kind of one of those sit on hands ones at the moment until we break this consolidation to the upside. So once we start getting through this area up here, 121.749. So 121.749. Once we start clearing that, come back and test that. That'll be the cue to be long on this. Alternatively, you could see a pullback into this area here, which is 121 dead, and that would offer the next level. Basically, all that's going to do is more than likely set up some kind of a flag. Okay, so yeah, that's my view at the moment. Break up the top here, 121.739. Break and retest, that would be a decent entry. Otherwise, looking for value further down at 121 dead. US dollar, Japanese yen. Not much going on here. Also, look to the left, look at all this chaos that we're in at the moment. So this is quite a big consolidation area that we're in right now. And I suspect we continue to the downside. We've got a bit of a triangle forming. I'm going to just show you on the hour. So we have this downward trend here. Okay, and then we have this upward trend here. So we are consolidating slap bang in the middle of the moving averages, consolidating under these tails here. So yeah, this is a really well-defined sit on hands. There's no real structure here in the middle of the moving averages. Waiting for a break either way. I suspect the break is going to come to the downside if I look at the oscillators at the moment. So, but it could basically go sideways as well today. So I want a clear break and retest of one of these trend lines before looking for an entry either way. So that one is sit on hands at the moment. British pound, Japanese yen. Looks like the pound is on a ripper of note. So did give you a measured move up here to 154.153. And that looks like it is pretty close. And in fact, in my books, that's done. So I would take that out. Now what you're looking for is opportunities to buy in again. Now, just want to minimize here quickly so you can see the bigger picture. Trend is very strong to the upside. Been a lengthy consolidation for most of the year since February. You can see pretty much no direction since February, and now we have cleared this previous high here of 153.269. So next step for me is come back to it and then look for an opportunity. You can see, if I just go to the weekly here, you'll see we've got some weekly resistance that we're flirting with at the moment. But strong move up, strong pullback. I suspect once we clear this area here, and I'll give that to you now. So once we clear the measured move area, that is going to continue to the upside. So just come down to the hour, and you'll see. So yesterday was a gap up after being sideways for so long. Gap up, strong move up, and not really changed. So as far as I'm concerned, any pullback is to be bought. It would be a decent area right here, 153.269. Obviously this gap is a magnet as well, but another area here would be 153.415. So this area here, which is the measured move, but is also support and resistance at the moment, we want that flip to support. So that's 154.184. So that's a break. I'm looking for a retest of that. That would give me fairly good, a strong, how do you say it? I'd be extremely confident of a long on a break above there. Moving on to Euro British Pound. So Euro British Pound is obviously the other way around. So we have been in this range for quite some time, pretty much most of April. And we've kind of broken below this previous low, which is 0.86256. And then you've got this swing low here as well that we're flirting with at the moment. So what I'm looking for, pull back onto structure. That structure would be here, and then for another move to the downside. So yesterday's move was pretty strong. All I'm looking for now, you look at the oscillators now, there's no reason to be jumping in at the moment. So looking for something up to here, pull back up to 0.86256. If that holds, great entry for a short with a fairly tight stop loss. And then I'm looking for the measured move, which would be this range. Down like that. Looking for a measured move down to 0.85353. Okay, anyway, that's my view at the moment. Sit on hands on the dollar for the morning session. Just watch what's going on. Pound definitely offers some value, so pay attention to that. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.